It's Blount County Adventures here, Bobby. Heading down to Gunnersville Dam today, mainly because I got to go stop and get a new battery on my way, and that's the closest boat ramp from there. So I was kind of wanting to go to the lake, but one of my batteries gave out last night, so I'm gonna make a stop at AutoZone and change out a battery real quick and make a stop for ice. And I'm gonna be headed to the dam for a few hours today. Let's see what's going on. Running a little late, or like I normally like to be on the water at least by sunup. Had a late night last night, so my daughter had some things going on, so just now getting out here. It's like 7:30. I'm just now heading to the Gunnersville Dam. So hopefully it'll be a good day. Y'all stay tuned. I appreciate it. All right, guys, we're here at AutoZone. Just to get my tools here and get this battery took out and get it took inside and get it swapped out. I'll give y'all a picture here in just a few minutes. Here's the old battery. Came out of this hole. Gonna go get swapped out. Looks like I should have came to O'Reilly's to start with. The AutoZone don't open until 9 o'clock. That's about normal for a fishing trip, guys. So let's get going. All right, guys, we made a last-minute game change. Instead of going to the dam, we're gonna go to the lake. It's about 10 more minutes drive for me, so headed down this way. Wind is getting it today. See how this works. Alright, guys, I turned around going the opposite direction, going like with the water flow. Normally never drug this way before, but the way the wind's doing, I'm using my 2 wind socks to slow the boat down, and then I'm just steering it with the trolling motor. I'm still going about 0.5, 0.6, even with 2 wind socks out, just the wind blowing me. I'm gonna try to slow it down a little bit. I don't think the trailer motor's pulling any, but if you get too slow, you can see the front of the boat start going. It can't stay in the wind. I don't know, nothing's working today. One good thing about the wind today, it seems like the grass is not nearly as bad. Right? I mean, I've seen 2 little patches earlier, but it's a pain fishing on the lake this time of the year normally. I don't guess it's gonna pop off. On my bottle. dirty South Dragonways, they don't get hung up a whole lot. They used to jump up every time one would even start to get snagged, but most of the time these come off. Bad place to get hung up, right on the main channel. Right here at the bridge. There we go, right. Ain't gonna blow. He ain't a great big one, but I'll take him today. Get him in the boat. Be the first fish of the day. Staying down. That's a good sign. Which I'm going too fast too, so that's probably why it makes me feel a little bigger. Well, if y'all can see them. Head shakes or not. Not hooked well. Normally I wouldn't have netted this little one like this, but I'll show you why I did it. The hook was just No, it's in there. Got all tangled up here. 10, 12 pounds. Uh, 14 pounds. 14 pounds. Blue cat. Hit that heart button, like button, tap that screen. Maybe we'll get on another one here in a few minutes. We're gonna probably turn around and do this short run again. Getting things situated. Alright guys, I'm heading home. Been fishing 5-6 hours today. Sometimes persistence pays off. It did not today. Only had one fish, 14 pounds, and then I think we had one more pretty good bite, but that was it. Not sure what's going on today. But you know, it's windy and cloudy, and I went up on the lake. I started out heading towards the dam, but we ended up on the lake. You know, one of those things, easy to second guess yourself. You never know which way. You know, I should have went to the dam. You know, I've been there the last 3 or 4 times, so I was just going to try something else. But who knows? Let's go home, get everything checked out, and wait until next chance we get to go back fishing. We'll try it again. Some days these catfish make you feel like, man, do you even know what you're doing? But then there's them days where the bite's on. So hopefully spawn's ending. I think it's a little later than it was last year, so you know, I'm tired of, hopefully these fish will get back on fire here in a week or 2. Thank y'all for watching. If you made it this far, we're gonna keep this filming up, and just let me know in the comments if there's any questions you have about catfishing, my rigs, my opinions, just whatever you this guy ain't got no brake lights. Whatever you want to hear, just let me know, and I'll see if I can help you out. Thank y'all.